Hey everybody, Brandon with Bearded CB82, and like the title says, starting off diesel, do's and don'ts, and an update to the BCB3000. Now on the update to the BCB3000, the drawing will be this weekend. Hopefully live from the shop, and I might have a very, very special guest who will be passing through on his way back home east. He went out west to visit his family and spend some time in the mountains and traveling through again. So hopefully we'll be able to get that done. Either way, it's going to get done this weekend. Just about got all the tallies put together, and that'll be done. Now, where we're getting at is the starting off diesel do's and don'ts. Now this is going to be a sublet of the series for starting off diesel. This is going to be more so about shop etiquette, things to and not to do, relating pretty much to the job field in general, and it's going to cover a wide gamut. I was originally going to do one video of do's and don'ts, but after today and having to deal with something that's going to be my first do's and don'ts video here shortly, yeah, it's going to be their own individuals because it's going to be more specific. One will be electrical, one will be servicing vehicles, different portions of the units, the tractors themselves, on do's and don'ts on those, and things that will piss somebody else off, and you don't really want to do that if you're starting off someplace. So hopefully to help you out, we'll be able to keep this series rolling even longer. Now, like I said, first one be electrical, so keep an eyeball out for that. Just to give you guys a little bitty view of some of the things I'm talking about. So, it'll be a little bit of helpful tips and tricks for you guys for getting around the shop and things to look out for. So, hope you all enjoy, and remember, shop safety is just as important as firearm safety. You screw something up, somebody could die. And also, I'm going to put a link up here to the Crazy Scotsman, because I still have the TCS 2000 giveaway still going on. He's getting closer. Well, we've almost got him to 2,000. We're just a little shy yet. And that way, that drawing, which is a massive, awesome deal. So I'll also put a link up here to the giveaway video. You guys can go ahead, check that out, and see if y'all are interested. Now, until next time, we'll catch you later.